Audio is just as important as video in any production, and good or bad audio can absolutely make or break your project. One thing that we can do with our audio is actually fade it. This is a great way to transition your audio in or out, and it can be done at the start or the end of a track. Another thing we can do is actually fade tracks together, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do these simple tricks in iMovie. So let's get into it now. First off, get yourself a pair of headphones. Trust me, this will make the process easier. Alright, once you're comfortable and ready to go, you're going to click the down arrow in the top left of the screen, and you're actually just going to locate your song. Once you've located your song, you're going to import it onto the timeline. I've already done that for the tutorial, so let's take a listen.
Late nights in the city causing hell. This shit be like Friday nights. This shit made me feel alive.
Okay, so as you can notice, it's all just very harsh and very abrupt. There isn't much fading in or out currently. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start by applying some fade in on the left of my audio clip. So at the start of the video, I'm going to come to my audio layer and you'll see circles appear. You're actually just going to drag this in as far as you want your fade to last.
Late nights in the city causing hell.
This will basically just apply a ramp to your volume and allow it to transition in smoothly. You can also do the same at the end of the clip. I'm just going to drag the circle once again and this will ramp the audio volume down. This will just apply a slightly nicer fade, essentially, out of my audio. By the way, if you want to use the track that I'm using in this video, you can get it on Licked. Licked is basically a chart music licensing platform that allows you to use popular songs in your videos claim-free. You can get discounts on your first track in the description below. So once we've actually got our clip and we've faded it in and out, you notice that I've actually used two separate sections of a song. So I would like to fade them together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to overlap them. I'm simply just going to drag my clips so they overlap slightly and then just fade in and out respectively so that they'll actually fade together. You can see we have a much cleaner transition on that one now. And another thing that I'm going to do is essentially the same thing again, but just I'm going to apply an audio effect to this last little section of audio. So I'm going to click and split my layer, go up to the audio effects section, and I'm going to use the muffle effect. Again, basically what I want to do is I want to fade this in towards the end. So I'm going to select that and then I'm going to overlap my clips. Again, applying my fade so that they fade in and mix together nicely. And then let's listen to how that sounds now.
Late nights in the city causing hell. This shit be like Friday night. This shit made me feel alive.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget that you can subscribe to the channel for more tutorial content. And also, if you're on the hunt for a track for your video, you can license any of the tracks from this video, plus many more on Licked. So check that out in the description.